If you want to run Python in VS Code, this is the tutorial for you. So the first thing you want to do is download Python from the official website. Download the file, include the py launcher, install it into a folder like CPython3. Click on the install button and head over to your VS Code editor. Here, go to extensions button and type Python. Install the first extension. Go ahead and create a new file and save it into some folder. Like here I have C/hello. Type some Python code, and because you installed Python extension, you now have this option in the lower left corner. Go ahead and click on that and choose Python from the drop-down list. Now go to Terminal on the menu and click New Terminal. Use the cd command to go into the C/hello or whatever project folder you have. Now type py hello.py and hit enter. And there you have it. You've now just ran your first Python program in VS Code.